Missed the years we learned to stand, the trembling steps of life's demand. Our joys arrived with missing tears. Your silence walked beside the years. At weddings, births, and family prayers, we searched for you in empty chairs. Yet every dew softly flies, carried upward through the skies. If souls can hear the ones they love, then hear us from the heavens above. Your children still remember you in every prayer, in all we do. We ask Ar-Rahman and day to keep your soul in mercy's way. And when our final breath is gone, let us meet where pain is none. Ya Allah, grant our mother peace. Let her eternal joy increase. Under your mercy let her stay in endless light forever made. Mother dear, though we're apart, you still live within each heart. Until Jannah calls us home, we trust in Allah, we're not alone.